Hey, so I'm just gonna fix up my hair. They're doing construction. I'll just update you in the car because this is too much. Oh my god, look at the sensor, that's so cool. Anyway. Let's go. Hey guys, so I have my windows down because I don't have proper AC in my car. I'm on my way to get a Brazilian wax and I'm getting my armpits waxed too. I'm vlogging on my old camera because it's my old camera. Oh my goodness. And I'm actually running late right now. And there's a slow car in front of me. And it's just... it's pissing me off. So I'm supposed to arrive at 5:23. My appointment was for 5:20. And I'm pretty sure, like, if you're 5 minutes late, then they cancel your appointment. So I think what I might do is I might call them and tell them that I'm running a little bit late. Actually, yeah, I think that's what I might do.
I don't know. When they ask in the interview room, I don't know. How many gal in the room, I don't know. Is that a gal in my group? I don't know.
Okay, so I called them and they said that it was okay. So I'm still supposed to be there in about 5 minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes. Oh, I don't know why this man is looking at me so hard for. Okay. 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 Well, period. See, I thought switching to this camera would be better because I thought I had more space on here, but I don't. It's cool though. So I am just gonna get a little comfortable. My order is supposed to be done in 4 minutes, so I'm gonna wait those 4 minutes. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna let you know how that went. So I didn't film whilst doing it because honestly I was just a little bit too nervous to ask if I could film. And two, as I was doing it, I feel like it was a really big joint effort between me and the waxer because it was like, my hair is so thick. Like, I have very thick hair up here too, and my hair there was so thick. And then she convinced me to like do sugaring because she was like, yeah, sugaring is better for women of color because all our hair grows in like different directions and stuff, and it's not like straight, you know. So she's like, yeah, it's so much better to sugar. She was like, you'll love the results, I promise. And I was like, okay, whatever, like, let's sugar, fine. And I figured that I heard that sugaring is less painful than waxing, so I was like, okay, yeah, let's do sugaring anyway, whatever. And so I got my armpits waxed, and then I just did sugar for my Brazilian. And my armpits, I've done my armpits before. I've got my armpits waxed before. Light work, it's fine. Doesn't hurt like at all. It's like you take a deep breath, and then it's over. Done that. But the Brazilian, especially for sugaring, girl, my hair is too thick. That's one. Not too thick necessarily, but I think my hair is too thick, one. Two, I am just like, I have this thing about me where my hands and my feet are always very cold, but like the rest of my body is very, very hot. Like, I don't know, I just get hot very easily. I don't know what it is about me. Like, something's clearly wrong with the way my blood flows. I don't know. So as she was doing it, she's like, are you hot? And I was like, yeah, a little bit. And she was like, oh yeah, because the wax, like the sugaring wax, is melting like as I'm trying to do it. And I'm like, oh, because it was taking a lot longer than I thought it would. Like I was there. No, I got in the room at around 5:26 and I left around like 6 something, like 6:20, 6:30-ish. And so it was a lot. And then she just ended up switching to like hard wax instead. And that one, I feel like that was a lot easier for her. And I think it was a little bit easier for me too. I did notice a difference between the two, like the feeling of it. I felt like sugaring hurt a lot more when it was being applied, but coming off it didn't hurt as much. Whereas waxing, I feel like it didn't hurt as much while it was being applied, but like while it was taken off, that hurt a lot more. So keep that in mind. And they said that you would feel a difference between the waxing and the sugaring. So I'm gonna see, I'll let y'all know. And then I just ended up getting a membership because I think I want to make this a monthly thing, period. Because I actually, like, I hate shaving my armpits and I hate shaving down there. Like, it's just not the vibe. And like I said, my hair is super thick, so when it grows back dark. And I just don't appreciate that. So yeah, like I said, I got the membership, and I got the membership for sugaring, because with the membership it comes with a free Brazilian every month, and it was only like $40 something. I think it's like 47 with tax. And anybody that goes to like a wax place for at least in the GTA, from what I've seen, is that waxing and a Brazilian costs like average about $50. So depending on where you go, you could get it for maybe like $45-$40 or like up to $60. And I was like, that is so good. So I did that, and then I realized that I prefer waxing and I think it was easier for her to wax too when she was doing the Brazilian, so I prefer waxing. So I'm gonna get that downgraded to a waxing membership instead of a sugaring membership. I'm not impressed by the results. No, I am. Let me check. I'd say I give it like an 8 out of 10 for right now, because I do see like a little bit of hair there, but I don't really blame the waxer. I more so blame I blame my body, because the girls just like to it just be hot, and I don't know what to do about that. But yeah, so I'm very excited. I have some wax on me still. Like, it was a lot for the both of us, I feel like, and she kept on asking me if I was okay, which is really great. Like, I really appreciate that. But yeah, I'm gonna go get my milkshake and I'll be right back. Not a paper straw. But yeah, I think that's all I really wanted to say. Like, the pain wasn't unbearable. Like, my mom told me that, I remember when I asked her a couple years ago, I was like, okay, like on a scale of like 0 to childbirth, how much, like childbirth being 10, how much does it hurt? And she said a 9. It's not nobody's 9. I'd give it like, and mind you, I was doing that for an hour, and I just said that it's not a 9 on a scale of 1 to 10. It's like, I'd say at most, it's probably like a 6 or a 7. Like, I was expecting a lot worse, and I feel like that's probably why it didn't hurt as bad for me, because I was expecting like so much worse. But yeah, that wasn't bad. Like, I feel like my tattoo might have hurt more than that. So if you've been thinking about getting a Brazilian, I think you should just go for it. It really doesn't hurt that bad, and they always say that the first time is the worst. So I'm excited to go back again, so that it doesn't hurt as much, and so that it doesn't take as long, because then my hair won't be as thickums. And apparently the girl said that throughout the whole quarantine, her clients, they didn't want to shave because they didn't want to go through it for the first time again. So yeah, I'm excited to do it again. And I think that's this video. Like, you know, it's just like a quick little vloggy vlog. So I will talk to you guys later. Look at my armpits. Oh, we love to see it. Like a bear pit girl. It's about time. You know how long it's been since I haven't shaved my armpits? It's been a long time.